Hey everyone, welcome to RX Projects, and in this video we're going to make this exciting rock paper scissor game. As kids we all played rock paper scissor. Now I have built this robot that plays it with you and me also. Look at this, it actually plays the game with me and randomly showing rock paper or scissor every time I wave my hand. To build this project I use an Arduino Uno as the brain, a breadboard to connect all the components, an ultrasonic sensor to detect my hand, a buzzer for sound, and a LED to show game start, 3 servo motors to move the hand, and some jumper wires. Now let's build the body of the robot. I used a sunboard seat to make the strong and lightweight frame. I cut all the pieces and joined them using a glue gun. Well, if you want to know the dimension of the robot body, then check in the description. I already uploaded the diagram link, so you can simply download it and make the body of the robot. Now I take a breadboard and first place the Arduino with a double-sided tape on the breadboard. Then I take 2 jumper wires, one is for 5V power supply and another is for ground. First I connect the one end to Arduino 5V and the another end to breadboard, and similarly I connect the one end of the wire to Arduino ground, another end to breadboard. Now I take an ultrasonic sensor and first connect the ground pin to Arduino ground and then connect the VCC pin to Arduino 5V. Now I connect the echo pin to pin number 10 and the trigger pin to pin number 11. Now I take a buzzer and first placed it on the Arduino and take 2 jumper wires for connection of the buzzer. I connect the positive pin of buzzer to Arduino pin number 12 and connect the ground pin to the ground. Now I take an LED and connect the positive and negative pin of the LED to the buzzer positive and negative pin, so that when the buzzer will sounding, the LED will also glow. Now I take a servo motor and also take some jumper wires to extend the wire of the servo. Now I connect all the jumper wires to the servo so that the length of the servo motor is extended. First I connect the servo VCC pin to 5V and then I connect the ground pin to the ground, and then I connect the signal pin to Arduino pin number 3. So this is our first servo. Similarly we take 2 more servos so that all the 3 arms of the robot can work. I take the second servo motor and I connect the positive pin to 5V and then I connect the ground pin to ground and connect the signal pin to pin number 6. Now I take my third servo and connect the positive pin to 5V and the ground pin to ground and the signal wire to pin number 9. So all the connection is done, but if you don't understand the connection properly, then don't worry, I already uploaded the circuit diagram in the description, so you can simply download it from there. So once the circuit was ready, I placed the breadboard inside the robot's body and I also fixed the servo motors and ultrasonic sensor using glue. Now I make a hole on the robot's body so that I can insert the LED. Then I printed the rock paper and scissor icon, cut them out and paste them on the pieces of sunboard. So after pasting all 3 stickers, I take 3 cycle spokes that act as the hand of my robot. Now the hand of my robot is ready. Now I take a servo horn and attach the robot's hand with the servo horn with glue. Now I connect all the hands of my robot to the servo motors. I glued the full robot body properly to make it stronger and stable. Now it's time to upload the code in our robot. Now let's see how it works.